this land, running in Cappadocia. In the wind of 73 countries, with 2,300 hearts, we're taking steps together. Welcome to Cappadocia, to this magical beauty. Welcome all of you to Salomon Cappadocia Ultra Trail 2024. Rocks, valleys, and fairy chimneys before you. With Salomon, Argeus, and we are strong. With Volkswagen, Royal Balloon, Gum, and we belong. This journey finds meaning with you. Cappadocia echoes in your heart too. As the sun rises on the peaks, fairy chimneys greet. Every step smells of history. Every breath revives the fairy chimneys. Endless thanks to our sponsors for standing by our side. From Salomon to Argeus, they're all here with pride. Welcome all of you to Salomon Cappadocia Ultra Trail 2024. Rocks, valleys, and fairy chimneys before you. With Salomon, Argeus, and we are strong. With Volkswagen, Royal Balloon, Gum, and we belong. This journey finds meaning with you. Cappadocia echoes in your heart too. Run to the peaks, to the beautiful valleys. With every step, Cappadocia is with you always. An endless beauty, everyone is here. The world has come to run. In Cappadocia we cheer. Welcome all of you to Salomon Cappadocia Ultra Trail 2024. Rocks, valleys, and fairy chimneys before you. With Salomon, Argeus, and we are strong. With Volkswagen, Royal Balloon, Gum, and we belong. This journey finds meaning with you. Cappadocia echoes in your heart too. Run to the peaks, to the beautiful valleys. With every step, Cappadocia is with you always. An endless beauty, everyone is here. The world has come to run. In Cappadocia we cheer. Welcome all of you to Salomon Cappadocia Ultra Trail 2024. Rocks, valleys, and fairy chimneys before you. With Salomon, Argeus, and we are strong. With Volkswagen, Royal Balloon, Gum, and we belong. This journey finds meaning with you. Cappadocia echoes in your heart too.